Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. What is the topic? Today, we are going to talk about lean operations. Without late, let's get started. Lean operations are all about working smarter, not harder. The idea is to cut out anything unnecessary, like wasted time, extra effort, or unused resources, and focus on what really matters. By simplifying processes and avoiding mistakes, you can create better results and give more value to your customers. It's like cleaning up and organizing your workspace so everything flows smoothly and efficiently. Let's talk about the elements. Lean operations focus on five key elements. First, cost. It's about cutting unnecessary expenses and saving money while maintaining value. Second, quality. Delivering the best products or services by avoiding mistakes and doing things right the first time. Third, delivery. Meeting customer needs on time by making processes faster and more efficient. Fourth, safety, ensuring a safe and organized workplace to reduce risks for employees. And finally, morale, keeping employees happy and motivated to create a productive and positive work environment. Together, these elements make operations smooth, effective, and customer focused. Let's talk about the principles. Lean operations are based on several important principles that help increase efficiency and reduce waste. Let's take a look at them. First, minimize waste. The focus is on eliminating waste in all areas like materials, time, and effort. By cutting out waste, businesses can save money and work more efficiently. Second, perfect first time quality. The goal is to get things right the first time. This reduces the need for rework, cuts down on defects, and saves time and resources. Third, flexible production lines. Lean operations rely on production lines that can easily adjust to changes. This flexibility helps meet customer needs quickly, avoiding overproduction and delays. Finally, continuous improvement, known as Kaizen, this principle focuses on making small, ongoing improvements. It encourages employees at all levels to suggest changes, creating a cycle of constant growth and better results. These principles work together to make operations smoother, more cost efficient, and high quality. Let's talk about the advantages. First, cost savings. By eliminating waste and improving efficiency, businesses can save money on materials, time, and labor. Second, improved quality. Lean focuses on getting things right the first time, leading to fewer defects and better quality products or services. Third, faster delivery. With streamlined processes and flexible production, businesses can deliver products or services to customers more quickly. Fourth, increased efficiency. Lean helps optimize resources and workflows, making businesses more productive and effective. Fifth, higher employee engagement. Employees are encouraged to contribute to improvements, boosting morale and creating a more motivated workforce. Sixth, better customer satisfaction. Customers benefit from lower costs, higher quality, and faster delivery, making them more satisfied and loyal. Finally, sustainable growth. Lean operations help businesses adapt to changes and grow in a stable, sustainable way over time. These advantages make lean operations a smart choice for businesses looking to improve and stay competitive. While lean operations offer many benefits, there are also some limitations. Let's talk about limitations. First, initial investment. Implementing lean practices requires an upfront investment in training, technology, and process changes, which can be costly for businesses. Second, employee resistance. Some employees may resist changes to traditional methods, making it hard to get everyone on board. Third, short-term disruptions. During the transition to lean, businesses might face temporary disruptions as processes are adjusted. Fourth, over-focus on efficiency. Focusing too much on efficiency can sometimes lead to neglecting other important areas like innovation or customer experience. Fifth, risk of understocking. Lean practices aim to minimize inventory, but if demand increases unexpectedly, businesses may face stock shortages. Sixth, requires constant monitoring. Lean operations need ongoing attention and adjustments. Without regular monitoring, inefficiencies can sneak back in. Finally, limited flexibility in crisis. In unpredictable situations or during crisis, lean systems may struggle to adapt quickly as they often depend on stable conditions. These limitations show that while lean operations can be powerful, they need careful management to work effectively. That's all for today, guys. Please like and share this video to your friends. Let's again meet in our next video. Have a good day.